गई। मेरा सिलेबस ही खत्म नहीं हुआ है। फैन मेक्स सो मच नॉइज।
It's disgusting to keep looking at the camera.
Could you play that song for me? It's my favorite song.
भाई 2 दिन बाद मेरी सेमेस्टर एग्जाम है and I felt sick today. I felt sick.
So the first thing we're gonna do is take a medicine, go to sleep.
मैं 4.5 घंटे के बाद उठी हूँ and the सर्दी is still there.
बट कल मेरी किसी और सब्जेक्ट की टेस्ट है. इट्स सैटरडे बट आई हैव अ टेस्ट टुमारो. इट्स ऑफ सम अदर सब्जेक्ट व्हिच इज नॉट डिसीजन साइंस. सो आई हैव टू स्टडी दैट सब्जेक्ट एंड डिसीजन साइंस के लिए.
Okay, so a little update is that मैं कल रात में और बीमार हो गई तो मैं सो गई थी क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेरी मम्मी नहीं. तो मैं सो गई एंड एज आई सेड दैट आई हैड अ टेस्ट आज सुबह सुबह. तो मेरे को पढ़ने का तो टाइम नहीं मिला तो आई गेव द टेस्ट टोटली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वट एवर आई अंडरस्टूड इन द क्लास एंड इट वॉज नॉट अ बैड टेस्ट. तो बट अभी क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ इट्स सैटरडे नाउ एंड मंडे को मेरी एग्ज़ाम है एंड इट्स द टफेस्ट सब्जेक्ट. सो आई हैव टू स्टडी. इट्स 5 o'clock नाउ. आई वुड स्टडी टिल 8. लेट्स गो. I honestly really want to be the person who understands the subject, but it is just testing my patience. भाई हमने 2 घंटे सह लिया है डिसीजन साइंस को, या आई शुड से 2 घंटे डिसीजन साइंस ने मुझे सहा है. आई एम सो हंग्री राइट नाउ. तो मैं जा रही हूँ कुछ तो खाने. बड़ी आई थी 8 बजे तक पढ़ने वाली. इट इज रेनिंग. I'm out to have dinner. It's raining. It was super hot, toxic, जहरीली गर्मी दोपहर में and now it's raining. Okay, Vizag. Very nice of you. Watermelon sugar high. If you said it. Apparently, I turned on the camera and forgot what I wanted to say. Yes, so I was thinking if I should study at night or I should wake up tomorrow morning early and have productive morning routine, or I should pull an all-nighter. Oh, I have to look at the camera. It's disgusting to keep looking at the camera. I cannot look at myself. Why? If I look at myself, it looks like I'm looking there. But I'm not looking there. I'm looking at myself. I have to look at the camera. I have to stay away from the camera. That's really very sad. That's really not nice. No wasting time, my dear. Let's go back to DS.
Took a pill, now it's fuck the pain कि कोई हमें कुछ ना कहे मैं अभी अपने आप में नहीं Can't let nobody fuck the vibe उदासी लेकिन साथ ही रही अजीब सी एक आशनाई अजीब सा एक
Hi. I slept around 12:30 last night. It's 4:34 right now. Oh. Need to show you. दिख ही नहीं रहा. How do I show? It's 4:36. I'm literally up since 4:15. I'm waiting for this phone to get charged. कब से? It's 4:36. I'll go brush my teeth first. I'll not take a shower अभी instantly क्योंकि it's pretty cold here. At least in my room it's very cold क्योंकि मैं AC चालू रख के सो गई थी गलती से. I don't do that usually. Oh wait. I need to make my bed.
That's what good guys do.
It's dark here. Wow. This is the view outside my room. This is my room. These are पहाड़ but ये रात में दिख नहीं. चुप ना. but ये रात में दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं. It's very dark. Wow. I believe there are people जिनकी रूम की लाइट्स चालू है but I am very sure कि ये लोग सोए नहीं हैं. It's cold even outside my room, so no way I'll take a shower this early. I drank so much of water and then I realized that the camera was off. I'm sorry. It's 5 a.m. in the street.
बेदिली क्या यूं ही दिन गुजर जाएंगे सिर्फ जिंदा रहे हम तो मर जाएंगे है गनीमत के असरारे हस्ती से हम बेखबर आए हैं बेखबर जाएंगे So can you keep a secret? Can you keep it on the low, 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 low? Can you keep a secret? Can you keep it on the low, 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 low? They've been scheming. मैं जानता नहीं reasons. दर्द रहे बेहिसाब मेरे पास. I really need some healing. But then again, तू आई नहीं आज फिर. Girl, you had me waiting. कि गुजर गया ये दिन. ये वक्त भी एक कैद है. तेरे झूठ सब सफेद हैं. तू कोई सा भी कह दे. It doesn't make a difference to me. तू करे और हम सह लें. क्यों तू इतनी careless? Drive me crazy when you stare at this. खौफ खुदा वरना fearless. बेदिली क्या यूं ही दिन गुजर जाएंगे सिर्फ जिंदा रहे हम तो मर जाएंगे है गनीमत के असरारे हस्ती से हम बेखबर आए हैं बेखबर जाएंगे So can you keep a secret? Can you keep it on the low, 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 low? Can you keep a secret? Can you keep it on the low, 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 low?
I realized that there is a lot to understand in the subject than to remember. So I'm not able to sit for very long stretches. I sat for 2 hours and then I started dozing off. So I slept for 2 hours and वो 2 घंटे वर exactly the 2 घंटे जिसमें हमारा नाश्ता होता है ना, missed my नाश्ता. एंड क्योंकि मैं बहुत जल्दी उठी हुई हूँ तो आई एम वेरी हंग्री राइट नाउ. घर पे whenever I wake up early, my family members also wake up and I don't know, they think that it's their responsibility कि ये उठी है तो हमें भी उठना चाहिए. तो they're up and they just giving me something or the other to eat. And here I woke up at 4 and still missed my nashta. I'll take a shower and then we'll think what to do. बाहर इतनी ज़्यादा धूप है, I have no motivation. Why does this fan make so much noise? These were the mountains I was talking about. और अब ये लोग सो रहे हैं. हाँ, told you. Shut the. If you ever coming to IIM Vizag, don't come here without a छाता. क्योंकि दिन में तुम्हें ये कौन है? क्योंकि दिन में तुम्हें ये धूप के लिए लगेगा, रात में बारिश के लिए लगेगा.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Breezes seem to whisper you.
Halfway through my syllabus, guys. It's still 6 o'clock on a Sunday evening. I have exam at what time do I have my exam tomorrow? It's like अभी मैंने इतनी पढ़ाई कर ली है कि if you ask me my name, I'll take 30 seconds to answer that. My brain cells are dead. My brain cells cannot take a decision anymore. And I'm trying, okay. I'm genuinely trying to study hard. क्योंकि I know this is my weak subject, तो मैं नहीं चाहती कि मेरी एग्ज़ाम गंदी जाए. But this subject is just not being nice to me. I'm just halfway through my syllabus and there are people on the campus who are like, हमारा हो गया है syllabus, so I'm just revising यार. Revise तो करना पड़ेगा. मेरे syllabus ही खत्म नहीं हुआ है. I should just shut up and go back to study.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters.
These are the number of questions that I'm gonna have to do before the exam, and it's already 11:24. It's 11:24 and इतना सवाल मुझको करना है. And of course we're gonna have to pull an all-nighter. Let's go. But before anything else, I'll have to do my laundry today, क्योंकि apparently मुझे इस पूरे हफ्ते में टाइम नहीं मिलेगा कपड़े धोने के लिए. तो मुझे आज टाइम मिला है तो मुझे आज कपड़े धोने पड़े. Life is getting way too real, guys. I'll be saying I'm just a girl all day and then रात में आके मैं कपड़े धोती हूँ यहाँ पे. ऑनेस्टली द ओनली ईजी थिंग इन माई लाइफ राइट नाउ इज दिस वॉशिंग मशीन, क्योंकि ये बस 2 बटन दबाने से चलने लग जाती है. हेलो, वो 45 मिनट्स. सी यू आफ्टर 45 मिनट्स, cutie. I don't know when I slept. I'm leaving for the exam, trusting upon the 2 brain cells that have survived the DS preparation. I'm scared. I'm very scared. I'm anxious. A little. I'm never anxious, but I'm anxious today because it's DS. See, night's 9:42 right now. My exam is at 10, and I wanted to go early. Okay, I wanted to go early. Aaja jaldi. I wanted to go early, but then there are people who'll start revising something, and last time I went early, वो लोग कुछ तो रिवाइज करने लग गए ना. I felt like shit. ये भी था क्या? I didn't want to do that to myself, so I'm going in the last moment.